So here we have the four stages that we just saw in the previous slide: environmental scanning, strategy formulation, strategy implementation, and evaluation and control. Yes, and we have like the detail. When you are doing the environmental scanning process, you can do like in two dimensions: the external dimension and the internal dimension. Yes. What is external dimension? To analyze what is outside the organization. Yes. And what is outside the organization? The natural environment. Yes. Which is resources and climate. So societal environment, it is as well external. Yes. In the next slide, we are going to get deep into the societal environment. And the task environment, it is related with the industry. Okay. Okay, and then the other dimension is internal. Yeah. What can you have inside the organization? You can have the hierarchy. Yes. You can have the culture of the organization. Yes. And what is culture in one organization? Beliefs, expectations, value. Yes. And finally, inside the organization, you find the resources. Yes. Which resources? For example, money, assets, and like human resources, no? The skills or the competencies or the knowledge of your employees. Okay. Okay, the second stage, it is a strategy formulation. Yes. And here we have seen many of the notions that Laura just told us before, no? Which are the mission statement. Yes. And the vision statement. Yes. We have the objectives of the company. Yes. And to achieve those objectives, you need to have some strategies. Okay. And those strategies are within the policies of the company. Okay. So once you develop the long range plans with strategy formulation, you are going to move into the third step, that is the implementation. And what do you need to implement those strategies? You need to put like in activities or in programs. Yes, like in concrete tasks. Okay. And to implement, you need money. You need a budget to pay for those activities and to put them in place. And everything inside the procedures of the company. No, the companies, they have like the way to do things. So you need to be inside those procedures. And finally, stage number 4, evaluation and control, which is to measure performance. Yes. And how you are going to measure performance? With actual results. And actual results are going to be reflected in the financial statement of the organization: balance sheet, profit and loss statement, cash flow. Okay. So the next slide is going to show in environmental scanning, in external part, specifically the societal environment. Okay. Okay. So the societal environment is the circle that is outside. Yes, like in blue color. And which elements appears? Economic forces. Yes. Technological forces. political and legal forces, and socio-cultural forces. Yes. Outside this societal environment circle, you can find some topics that are like in the white part of the slide, no? Which are the physical resources, the climate, the wildlife, and the natural and physical environment, like complete or interact with all of them. Okay, if we go inside the blue circle, we have the green one. Yes. And those elements are related more to the economic sector or to the industry, yes, that we are like analyzing in particular. What we can get inside the industry or inside the task environment, we can have the suppliers, we can have employees, we can have our competitors, we can have trade associations, the community. Yes, those are like stakeholders. Yes. Creditors, customers, special interest groups, and the government as well. And finally, in the inner circle, the one that in more or less in orange color, you have the internal part, okay, which are the topics related to the organization. It can be the resources, the culture, or the hierarchy. Okay.